Oh, what's this? An email? For me? What would you do if a little animal came up to you? Gratefully yours, Ashley and Anthony. I don't really know. Let's find out. Oh, the cheat! Come here for a moment. So there's your answer. A little animal comes up to me, I'd kick it. Okay, so until next week, everything is awesome. Huh? Oh, hey big guy, I was just kicking the cheat. It's a little joke. I got the people watching at home. Just trying to be kind of funny for them with the joke. A joke kick. I'm gonna kick you too.